private joint stock company, Lekhim-Kharkiv is a large, modern, high-tech manufacturing company which is involved in development and manufacture of generic drugs. Range of its products amounts to about 200 product names. Total rate of production: apules, 130 million pieces a year. Suppositories, 30 million pieces a year. Tablets, 200 million pieces a year. Powders for solution for injection in vials, 4 million pieces a year. Granules and powders for the preparation of oral solutions in sachets, 10 million pieces a year. The company is GMP and ISO certified. Private joint stock company, Lekhim-Kharkiv, was founded in 1995 as a private company. In 2009, it joined a group of companies, Lekhim. The company is housed in 2 buildings. The area of over 8,000 square meters houses main units of the company. Solid dosage forms unit, soft dosage forms unit, injectable dosage forms unit, production section of powders for injection solutions, quality control department with chemical and microbiological analysis labs, stores: quarantine, raw material store, packing materials store, and finished product store. Production support section, validation department, quality management department. The company operates within the framework of the pharmaceutical quality system under the International Rules of Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP. Quality management system involves such systems as deviation management, change control, risk assessment, quality overviews. Quality management department is responsible for maintaining of operation of all interconnected system elements. Each year, the top management, with direct involvement of the chairman of the board of directors, analyzes quality system efficiency. The aim of such analysis is to develop and to take managerial and strategic decisions aimed at the efficiency and improvement of quality policies of the company. All the employees of the company have their job instructions, which settle the range of responsibilities and the respective powers for the fulfillment of the former. The staff of Lekhim-Kharkiv undergoes systematic internal and external training. The documentation of the company has 4 levels and is kept under the company specification. All raw materials and expendables for manufacturing purposes are purchased only from approved manufacturers and suppliers, who are subject to qualification and audits. Upon arrival, all the raw materials and expendables, after their visual check and control of their package and labeling, are placed in the quarantine store. Quality Control Department takes samples and sends them for testing. Until the permit for use in manufacturing process is received, such raw materials and expendables are in quarantine status. Quality control labs are licensed to perform testing under pharmacopoeial methods, and their technical competence is verified by the respective state services. All the control and measurement equipment is subject to regular checks, calibrations, and qualifications, requalifications under the approved schedules. All the testing methods are validated and are performed according to standard procedures. Upon completion of tests, a control protocol or a batch record is drawn, and a final decision on the prohibition or permission of the use of raw materials and expendables in production or on batch release is taken. Production facilities, control and storerooms are equipped with autonomous systems for conditioning and ventilation of operation areas, which allow providing for temperature, relative humidity, and air purity parameters according to cleanliness classes. There is a 3-stage air purification system to support respective cleanliness classes. Production environment is monitored regularly. The production involves production of non-sterile solid dosage forms, tablets, powders, granules and sachets for oral solutions. Production of sterile solid forms, powders for preparation of solutions for injection. Production of non-sterile soft forms, suppositories. Production of sterile injectable drugs, injection solutions. Production is equipped with autonomous system for receiving, storage and distribution of purified water and water for injections, which quality meets pharmacopoeial requirements, as well as with other systems, including pure compressed air and nitrogen systems. All the engineering systems and equipment are subject to regular qualification, requalification, while measuring equipment is subject to check calibration. Technological processes are performed according to approved regulations, technical instructions. All the processes are validated. All the changes are subject to revalidation process. To provide for performance of all validation operations, the company has its own validation department, which is provided with all the necessary resources and qualified staff. Our company guarantees proper product storage until their sell-by date. The products are sold batch-wise, according to the sequence of release and arrival of products to the finished product store. Products by PJSC, Lekhim-Kharkiv enter the market through wholesale, national, and regional distribution companies, which have license for wholesale trade. Contracts are signed only with approved distributors. We have a dossier for each distributor. Distributors are subject to regular audit procedures. The products are delivered to market using outsourcing, transport, or own transport of Lekhim, which is duly equipped to provide for good transport conditions under GDP. Claims and any other information on reclamations are registered and are subject to thorough analysis upon receipt. According to the results of investigation, an analysis of claims corrective and/or preventative measures are taken to eliminate discrepancies up to recall of products. Regular self-inspections are performed in the company. According to the results of inspections, all the discrepancies are recorded, reports are drawn, and corrective and preventative actions are determined. According to the results of audits, the efficiency of quality system is reviewed. To provide for optimal drug post-approval safety, a pharmacovigilance system is introduced at the company. Today, PJSC Lekhim-Kharkiv puts about 200 drugs on the market. The products are supplied to the markets of 25 countries worldwide. The quality of the delivered products is guaranteed by the confirmation of stability for different climatic zones throughout the expiration date of the product. The company is constantly developing, using our own resources with the involvement of scientific organizations. Within the framework of outsourcing projects, the specialists of our company develop and introduce new drugs. About 10 new drugs are developed annually. All the activities of the company are aimed at achieving our main goal: to protect health and give hope to the patients.